The M.R.N Group, a name synonymous of trust, reliability and sustainability, cementing and elevating India's position as the global leader in biofuels and clean energy. Today, the M.R.N Group is Asia's largest producers of ethanol, home to Asia's biggest biofuel company, India's first and biggest bio-CNG facility, and India's second largest producers of sugar, with verticals in renewable energy, banking, cement, LPG, CNG, retail, education, fertilizers, agro-related products, construction, and many more. But the M.R.N Group started as a single sugar crushing unit with a humble capacity of 500 TCD per day in the year 1995, called Nirani Sugars. Perseverance, laser-sharp vision, and dedication of our founder, Dr. Murugesh R. Nirani, has resulted in exponential growth of the M.R.N Group. Currently led by Mr. Vijay Nirani, Mr. Sangamesh Nirani, and Mr. Vishal Nirani, the M.R.N Group has scaled to become one of India's most revered and trusted conglomerates. But this exponential growth has only become a reality due to the ardent and relentless support of our three pillars: our bankers, our farmers, and our employees. Today we comprise of over 8 sugar manufacturing units with a combined crushing capacity of over 110,000 TCD per day, thus making us one of India's largest producers of sugar. Our 8 sugar units include Nirani Sugars Limited, Shri Sai Priya Sugars Limited, Badami Sugars, Kedarnath Sugars, M.R.N Cane Power India Limited, M.R.N Cane Power and Biorefineries India, M.R.N Sri Rama Sugars, M.R.N Bhima Sugars Limited. With the thriving B2B sugar business, we have now successfully ventured as the Nirani Sugars brand to the household of millions of people in India through our retail variety of sugars. Our vision, as it always has been, is to create an environment that's sustainable, cleaner, and greener. All our sugar units work in tandem to manufacture ethanol and generate power, utilizing the waste from sugar production. With an exponentially rising demand for ethanol in the world, we can proudly say that we are Asia's largest producers of ethanol with a total capacity of over 2.5 million liters per day. Ethanol is one of the key producers that will ensure a cyclical economy, enabling our farmers to increase their incomes and help our nation drastically reduce its import dependency on crude oil. We at the M.R.N Group are deeply passionate of adding value to sugarcane. The ethanol produced from sugarcane will eventually be utilized as a sustainable aviation fuel, as a standalone fuels for vehicles, and as a source to generate power, thus helping India soar to greater heights. Apart from this, molecular-grade ethanol produced by the M.R.N Group is used to sterilize surgical equipments and also utilized to produce high-quality sanitizers and sanitation services. An otherwise waste byproduct, Pagacy, is now being utilized in an ingenious manner to develop particle-grade boards which have far-reaching applications ranging from the manufacturing of furniture to construction. Through our power generation units, we not only fulfill our requirements but also supply the surplus power generated to the state power lines. As of today, we generate a cumulative 406 MV of power, out of which over 306 MV is exported to the state power lines. The buck does not stop here. The M.R.N Group believes in a holistic and engaging learning experience for our current and future generations. Tejas International Residential School and Vijay International School were established to enable students to get access to world-class education with the aim of creating seasoned professionals in the medical field. The M.R.N Ayurvedic College and the M.R.N College of Nursing were established. Through these prestigious institutions, the M.R.N Group focuses on ensuring that our future generations are equipped to tackle the challenges of this world. While we nurture young students to be the leaders of tomorrow, we also endeavor to build our nation. And that is how Ratna Cements was constituted. With access to raw materials that will last us decades, Ratna Cements is currently on the path of manufacturing over 1.5 million tons of cement per annum. With the vision of building a sustainable India and reducing our dependency on crude oil, our flagship companies, True Alt Bioenergy and Lee Affinity Bioenergy were established, wherein we will be at the forefront of creating a more sustainable India, significantly reducing our nation's carbon footprint. True Alt Bioenergy is currently the largest producers of ethanol in Asia, paving the way for a cleaner, greener and more sustainable Mother Earth. In the near future, True Alt Bioenergy will be establishing numerous dispensing stations for petrol, diesel, ethanol, CNG, LNG, as well as electric vehicle charging points. A one-stop destination for all your fuel and power requirements. Lee Affinity Bioenergy has been setting new standards in waste management, biofuels and chemicals. Utilizing municipal solid waste and agricultural waste, fuel and energy are created. Wealth is truly being obtained from waste. Being a multifaceted company, Lee Affinity Bioenergy is instrumental in ensuring that our farmers are given the opportunities to earn more and save more. This takes place in 4 fronts. Agricultural waste is purchased from farmers at an additional cost. Their tractors, which amount for a large amount of their expenditure, are converted to CNG units, thus reducing their cost by over 50%. The farmers have the opportunity to obtain retail franchisees for the dispersion of CNG and LNG. Residual waste generated in the process of CNG and LNG production acts as an organic fertilizer and is further given to farmers to grow chemical-free and truly organic yields. With over 70,000 employees and more than 3 lakh farmer families dependent on us, trust for the M.R.N Group has always been paramount. With the trust of the people, we established Vijay Sohard Credit Society and Prajwal Multi-Purpose Sohard Sahakare to cater and make available world-class banking services to the people of rural India. Together, as we move forward, making a mark and transitioning our economy, we will always strive. We will always endeavor. And we will always uphold the values of just business.